Welcome back to day 4. So far we've got the rear half of the car out and the front half. Day 3 was a bit of a hassle with the lower dash and the carpet not coming out. However, we did get it out eventually. Mainly by cheating by cutting it out, but the one we bought is also cut even worse than the one we did. So today we're going to put the car back to how it was. At least that's the plan. So we're going to hoover first, stick the carpet in and try and get the lower dash back together. Not quite sure if it'll go to plan. I'm sure there'll be a few screws left over. But that's called weight reduction. All in all, like I've been saying all the way through, I don't recommend this because it's been an absolute nightmare. The clips are a nightmare. That's probably the biggest takeaway. The clips. So the tiny plastic clips for all the connectors are the worst bit about this job. So as the carpet is cut, it shouldn't be too difficult to put it back together. So the next step is to try and get the carpet in. Don't forget your accelerator wire. So, the update is it's in. It seems all lined up. There's a crease here, but I think that's where it's been folded for a while. So I think that'll settle as time goes by, or at least when we carpet clean it once it's all back together. The idea behind carpet cleaning it once it's in is it'll be a nightmare and it'll probably take an extra week to dry. But luckily, where the guy cut it, who we bought it off, it's pretty high up, so by the time all the trim's on, you won't see it anyway. 10 to 8, so we're massively behind schedule. Yeah, we started later tonight. We started at 7, so really we're only going to get an hour on it, and we're 10 minutes away from that hour being up. Yeah. Let's get the pedal in and we'll call it a day. Or night. No, I might want to get this bit in. The centre console. Well, it kind of just rests. It gives you a good idea, you know, a taster, like try before you buy. Home trial. But probably the end of day 4. So yeah. We'll call it a day. Night. Yes, end of day 4. It's 8:45, and we've still not got the car back together. But tomorrow it will be all back together, apart from the boot, because we need to tie that. Yeah, so by day 5 it should be back together. Bar the boot. But we've still got spraying the plastic trim until we can source some black ones, and then dyeing the grey boot liner. But there's one thing I want to look at first. So not quite the finished product, but the silver trim gives you an idea. So yeah, that's a sneak peek. Needs a clean though, doesn't it? Because it looks quite ditched. Yeah. Oh, don't faff on with that at this time of night, Jesus Christ. Gives you an idea there. So yeah, so that's day 4 over with. On to day 5 in less than 12 hours. Yeah, less than 12 hours we're going to be back at it, grafting. I'm torn up like some pieces of the paper. Don't burn up in the morning, let it taper. Inhale and let it out like
like reservation.